Windows 11 KB5120998 is out with a movable taskbar, a customizable start menu, and Windows search without the Microsoft Store. If you are unable to install this update, follow the instructions in this video. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanup/image/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Once it finishes, type Exit and press Enter. Restart your PC. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the Software Distribution folder. The Download folder. Press Continue. This will delete the corrupted Windows Update files. Close the windows and run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter.